Hello. This is the final project between me, George Shields, and Hai Duong. We are mining Amazon customer reviews.
Uh, well, in the introduction and goal, we use a subset from Amazon US customer review from Cargo. And indeed, we use 6.2 gigabyte in total. And we would like to analyze the topics the customer are discussing about product, what they like and they don't. We have we want to improve methods of classifying review data and to improve business strategies. And our main objectives in this project include LDA topic modeling and classification using raw and LDA features. For pre-processing part, we filter out the data such as we only keep the title, review text, and star rating. And we clean out the data by removing stop words. And we create a label for each review, such as a review is positive with 4 or more stars and negative with 1 or 2 stars. And we created a training and testing data from that. And for LDA, we implement LDA from PySpark MLlib. And first, we use IDF features to train our LDA with different numbers of topics. And we finalize our parameter, such as we use 50 topics and train 200 maximum of iterations. And separately, we use different script to visualize our topic using word cloud that we found from LDA model. For classification tasks, we use 5 different methods, including logistic regression, random forest, decision tree, naive bayes, factorization machines, and two type of data we use for each classifiers, which are raw features or IDF data and combined feature like concatenating IDF and LDA transform data.
So, of the challenges we faced, we initially wanted to use sentiment analysis as like an initial kind of classification before we did the IDF and LDA. We found that to be somewhat redundant and also including additional overhead. Um, We wanted to use multi-layer perceptron classification, but found that it took too long. And then because our LDA was not deterministic, it took a long time for us to get the correct tunings down and to find the results that we were looking for. And so some of the findings that we made after looking at the outputs and the results was that we found uh, topics uh, like surrounding certain products like a MacBook Pro or other laptops like the Google Chromebook. And in both the positive and the negative topics that we found from LDA, we were able to find certain terms like, say, Retina or display or MagSafe uh, when looking at the positive topics, and that shows that customers are very particular about what they really liked. And in a like fashion with the negative topics, I would see terms like crash or crashes and other products with similar terms to show the aspects that the customers didn't like. And then when we ran the classifications, we noticed that after we had ran the LDA model and gotten our LDA transformed data with the combined features, we found that the classifiers could more accurately classify the LDA transform data than that of the raw data. So in conclusion, we found that using LDA was a great way to help businesses that sell on Amazon to figure out what they need to improve and what things work well, as well as how they can use LDA to better improve uh, classification accuracy on data that they may want to use. That's it. Thank you very much.